Are you tired of the endless mess and frustration that comes with traditional painting methods? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Graco Magnum X5. Let's kick things off with the Graco Magnum 262,800 X5. Priced at $398.61, this sprayer caught my attention with its promise of power and mobility, especially for larger DIY projects. If you want a reliable tool that can handle up to 10 gallons of paint, this is worth a serious look. So why does the Graco Magnum X5 solve your painting woes? First off, it features fully adjustable pressure control, which means you can spray unthinned paints at whatever pressure you need. That's a game changer for achieving that perfect finish without wasting time on mixing or thinning. Plus, the flexible suction tube allows you to spray directly from a 1 or 5 gallon bucket, which is super convenient. Imagine being able to reach up to 75 feet with its paint hose. You can tackle 2-story homes without a ladder. This model has already been popular, with 500+ units sold in just the past month, so you know it's making waves. Now I have to be honest. Some reviewers noted that it can be a bit heavy at 17 pounds and the initial setup might feel overwhelming for beginners. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the weight isn't a deal breaker for most. It's designed for serious projects, so if you're ready to take on larger jobs, it's worth the initial effort. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY homeowner who frequently tackles big projects. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and ultra-portable for small touch-ups. Overall, the Graco Magnum X5 packs a punch for its price. Now, if you think the weight of the X5 sounds like a hassle, the next option on my list is much lighter and just as effective. Product number 2, MAXRAY M1. Next up is the MAXRAY M1, coming in at $290.23. What stood out to me was its user-friendly design, making it perfect for beginners who still want pro-like results. If you're ready to upgrade your painting game without breaking the bank, this sprayer is definitely worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's equipped with a powerful motor that requires no thinning of paint, which saves you time and ensures a smooth finish. Plus, the 360 degrees swivel joint enhances agility, allowing you to paint those tricky corners with ease. With features like minimal overspray, you can save on paint costs too. This sprayer is made for efficiency. And with 1-year warranty support that can be extended, you're covered for peace of mind. However, some users mention that it might take some time to become familiar with its operation. But here's the thing, once you watch a few tutorials, you'll be up and running in no time. It's not a deal breaker, it's just part of the learning curve. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY homeowner eager to tackle multiple projects each year. Skip this one if you're planning on using it for very large jobs where you need the heavy-duty strength of a more powerful model. For its price and performance, the MAXRAY M1 offers great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those larger tasks. Product number 3, VEVOR 750W. Now let's discuss the VEVOR 750W, priced at just $162.42. Honestly, I was surprised by its affordability given the features it offers. If you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality, this is definitely worth considering. It has a maximum flow rate of 1.2 liters per minute, making it suitable for medium to large painting tasks. The fan-shaped atomization technology ensures a fine and even paint application. What does this mean for you? It means fewer touch-ups and a more professional finish, all while being environmentally friendly. With 500+ units sold recently, it's clear many are turning to this sprayer for their home projects. But here's the thing, a good prep job and using the right paint can avoid this hassle entirely, so it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an efficient and cost-effective sprayer for home interiors and exteriors. Skip this one if you need something for very specific or heavy-duty jobs. With its price point, the VEVOR is a steal. Now, if you're looking for something that's even more versatile for various projects, the next one might be exactly what you need. Product number 4, Graco Project Painter Plus. Let's move on to the Graco Magnum 257,025 Project Painter Plus. At $305.73, this sprayer is all about speed and ease. If you're someone who hates the hassle of brushes and rollers, you'll want to hear more about this one. This sprayer is ideal for home projects up to 5 gallons, making it easy to tackle a variety of tasks throughout the year. It features fully adjustable pressure control, allowing you to spray any paint or stain without thinning, which saves you time and frustration. The flexible suction tube lets you work directly from paint buckets, which is a huge convenience. Plus, it supports up to 50 feet of hose, so you can reach high spots without climbing a ladder. With a solid reputation, it's a favorite among DIYers, selling over 500 units last month. However, some reviewers pointed out that its maximum output isn't as high as some competitors. But here's the thing, if you're not dealing with massive commercial projects, this shouldn't be an issue. It's perfect for typical home use. This is perfect for you if you're a DIYer looking for a reliable sprayer for a range of household projects. Skip this one if you need something heavy-duty for large-scale commercial jobs. For the price and quality, it's a solid choice. Now, if you're after something even more specialized, the last product on my list might just fit the bill. Product number 5, Beetry Airless Paint Sprayer. Finally, we have the Beetry Airless Paint Sprayer, priced at $232.19. This one really caught my eye with its high-pressure capabilities and professional-grade finish. If you want a sprayer that works well for both indoor and outdoor projects, this is worth checking out. The Beetry sprayer can handle up to 10 gallons and sprays up to 5 times faster than traditional methods. Its precision stainless steel pump head ensures a stable pressure output, reducing paint blockage and giving you a smooth flow. Plus, the adjustable nozzle means you can switch between detailed work and large areas seamlessly. This tool is designed for compatibility with multiple types of coatings without the need for dilution, so you can tackle any project with ease. Users have reported that it performs well without major hiccups, and it's sold over 200 units recently. However, a few users mentioned that it can be slightly noisy during operation. But honestly, most paint sprayers make some noise, and this one is quieter than many. It's a small trade-off for a powerful tool. This is perfect for you if you need a multifunctional sprayer that can handle various coatings for both indoor and outdoor applications. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra-quiet for residential areas. At this price, the Beetry gives you a ton of value for your money. So to wrap things up, we've covered the Graco Magnum X5, MAXRAY M1, VEVOR 750W Graco Project Painter Plus, and the Beetry Airless Paint Sprayer. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Graco Magnum X5 because it delivers power and mobility for serious projects without compromising on quality. And don't waste your money on the VEVOR if you need something specialized for heavy-duty jobs, as it may not meet those demands. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.